Writing emails takes forever, right? What if I told you there's an AI that writes professional, catchy emails in just 5 seconds? Yeah, 5, not 50. Introducing Google Gemini, your new personal email assistant built right inside Gmail. All you do is type what you want the email to be about, and boom, it gives you a full message, tone and all. Let's say I'm emailing my teacher for an extension. Type, polite email to teacher asking for more time. And look at that. It sounds like I've been writing emails since the 1800s. It even lets you change the vibe. Formal, funny, or straight up savage. Influencers love it for brand deals, students use it for school, and busy people, they literally survive on this. Here's how it actually works. The AI reads your prompt, finds the best tone, and structures a message that sounds human, not robotic. And yeah, it can even match your style the more you use it. So your emails start sounding like you, just smarter. Now, if you don't have Google Workspace or can't access Gemini yet, no worries. You can still use Copy.ai. It's free, fast, and just as powerful for writing stunning emails, posts, or even full-on business pitches. Think of it as your all-in-one writing genie. So next time your boss says, "Send that email ASAP," you already know what to do. Let the AI do the typing while you sip your coffee and look productive. If this blew your mind, hit that like button and drop a fast emails in the comments. And I'll show you more tools that make work feel like a 5-second game. Let's make life easier, one AI at a time.